Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a new video. My name is Zelda Nadine if you're a newbie, and today we are doing a classic red lip, perfect for the holidays. I'm so amped about this look. It's very simple, it's super easy and affordable. Okay, because I know we're going through this pandemic and we're trying to save all the coins that we can. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below and let me know if you like this look, what looks you would like for me to do in the future for the holiday season. So if you're interested in this look, just keep on watching. This is going to be a quick voiceover, so let's get into moisturizing these lips. So I'm going to use my Kiehl's lip balm, which is my favorite. I'm actually going to use LA Girl Pro Conceal to put concealer all over the lid, and the color is Warm Honey. I'm going to use my angle brush. Yes, I am still using that paintbrush, honey, from Hobby Lobby. It is the best paintbrush for my concealer all over the eyes. Next, I am using e.l.f.'s Conceal Sponge. Now, I actually picked this up. If you looked at my vlog, I picked it up from Ulta, and I needed something that really get in those creases. I like the other sponge. I don't know what it does. It just really buffs everything in a lot better. I really like it. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Bite Size Eyeshadow Carnival Candy and use a lighter shade, and taking my blending brush by Morphe and blend that by my brow bone. I will be putting all the information in the description box below of the brush numbers that I'm using, so you can have all that information. On this palette, so I'm going to go in with that tan brown shade with my cut crease brush. I call it a cut crease brush, but it's actually a crease brush by Morphe, and I'm going to really pack that on in my crease. And I'll be jamming, and it's karaoke time all the time. Next, I'm going in with my e.l.f. highlighter using my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. Next, I'm going into my Juvia's Place Chocolates palette, and I'm gonna just put the shadow on the edge of my lid. So I'm just keeping it light, keeping my hand light. I just want to be able to give it a little bit of smoke on the sides there. Next, I'm going with my e.l.f. liquid liner, and I'm going to use a thin paintbrush. Yes, a thin paintbrush, not a makeup brush, okay? And I'm going to do a larger cat eye. I am using that. It makes it very easy to be precise. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh, promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, yeah. But get it,
Next, I'm going in with Milani's Conceal Imperfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer using my e.l.f. Cosmetics Buffer Foundation brush. I have not used Milani in so long, and honestly, I forgot how good this product is and inexpensive. Again, this is affordable makeup, and this particular the foundation and concealer actually is super full coverage. So if you're a full coverage girl like me, you will love this. And now I'm going in with my Beauty Blender by e.l.f., which is my favorite. And I'm using the flatter side just to buff everything into the face and really be able to sink it into the skin. Again, you don't have to use a whole lot of product. Next, I'm going with my LA Pro Conceal Corrector. You all know that I be showing a little bit bags under these good eyes, so I have to color correct. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. And using the other side of the sponge to be able to buff out that color. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Now I'm going back in with Warm Honey Concealer all over top of that color corrector to be able to smooth out the under eye. Now this really actually looks good once you go ahead and blend it out over the and I'm using the new sponge. I feel like it really gets into the edges underneath the eye. Like sometimes when you have a bigger sponge, that tip of the sponge doesn't really get close to the waterline. And this particular sponge does, so I like that. Contour baby with that Juvia's Place Benin color, and I'm going to contour all over the face. Using the e.l.f. foundation brush. I used the same brush that still had foundation on it because I want to be able to use a little bit of that product that I had left over to blend in with my contour. This is not a full harsh contour. I'm trying to go with a softer contour to be able to warm up the face a little bit more. Now I'm going to use Fenty Beauty's setting powder in honey. Right now, this is my favorite setting powder for under the eyes and setting the concealer. It's not too yellow and it's not too brown, and that's what I like about it. It's basically perfect for my skin tone. And I'm not going to, usually with the last video I did, you can see that I put the honey setting powder on first and then I went in with banana powder. This time I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm going to keep it cute, so we can just be able to brighten under the under eyes real quick. I'm going to use my Sephora Micro Smooth in the color tan all over my face while I go ahead and have that face already cut and baking. I did bring my contour down a little bit too low, so I'm just going to go ahead and basically set the foundation for right now. And while I'm doing this, I just want to let you guys know, thank you so much for watching my videos. You guys are amazing, and I appreciate the fact that you guys don't care that all my stuff is backwards, so I appreciate that. Next, we're going into Tarte's blush, and it's in a Party. You guys know I love this blush. It's just a nice soft pink, and I'm going to actually put that on the apples of my cheeks, and I'm going back in with the e.l.f.
highlighter in the color Gems and do a quick, cute highlight. Now I'm going to line my waterline with the NARS eyeliner in black. Next, we're going in with the smudge brush by e.l.f. and going into that Juvia's Place chocolate palette and just putting a little bit of eyeshadow on that waterline just to be able to finish the look. And I'm going to use the nude color eyeliner by Revolution. I love this eyeliner. I've never used nude under my eyes before, and I'm like obsessed now. Now going back into my highlighter, I'm just going to give a cute little highlight in my tear duct. And I'm going to use Better Than Sex mascara on these good lashes before I put on my falsies. I'm going to be using Lily Lashes in So Extra Miami. I'm going to use Milani's lipstick and it's in the color Red, and I'm going to use that as my lip liner. I've never in my life used a lip brush ever. I always use lip pencil, but I was like, you know what, since we're going to be doing this classic red lip, I'm going to go ahead and try a lip brush. And honestly, the precision on this lip brush, it just kind of gives you a little bit more control. I may be doing that a little bit more often, I don't know yet, but it really turned out well. Now I'm going to fill in the lip with Fenty Beauty's Uncensored. That red stunning lip, baby. That thing is real, okay? It is beautiful. It is the perfect red lip. And I love how it dries matte. Next, I'm going to set this face by Milani, Make It Last. And this is a 16-hour wear. And this is the final look. I love how this came out. Holiday vibes is what I'm getting. And it's a classic look. If you've tried this look, make sure that you comment below. I'll see you at the next video.